Everyone. Here we'll be seeing how to create this attractive dashboards with multiple slicers, multiple data filters. Like we can select the data with respect to date. We can select with respect to customer IDs. You can see all the charts will get linked automatically based on that. So this is a very interactive and very effective way to show your data insights to your management, to your bosses, to your leaders, whoever it might be, or even to understand to yourself and to work accordingly. So if you want to understand how this is done, how exactly you can get this data and how exactly you can get this visualization, you have to watch all the 5 episodes of this sessions and understand and learn accordingly and learn and exceed in your. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you want more such videos or any specific videos, leave the details in the comment section. So here we'll be seeing what is the 5 episodes about. First and foremost is introduction to PowerPivot and how to you can activate the PowerPivot plugin in your Excel. Second, we'll be discussing about creating data models with PowerPivot. It's a step-by-step session so that you can learn clearly. And third is Excel Power Pivot model with its relationships, how to build the relationships between the data models. Fourth is after creating the relationship and data models, that is Power Pivot tables based on the data models, and we'll be enabling the KPI to the Power Pivots. Last, we'll be discussing about the dashboards and the slices, how we can create a better visualization of the same. Hello everyone. In this part of Power Pivot, we'll be seeing how to add in the Power Pivot option to Excel. So for that, first of all, I'll be clicking on File. Then I'll go to the bottom, that is Options. As soon as I click on Options, you can see here an option called as Add-ins. I'll click on that. So as soon as I click on add-ins, you can see there are n number of options which is coming here. Here if you see exactly the Power Pivot, that is Microsoft Office Power Pivot of Excel 2013, because I am using 2013 version. So you can see it is type is common add-ins. So for that, if you come here, manage. So if since I have already said it is common add-in, I'll click here and I'll come here common add-ins. I'll click on that. Then I'll click on go button. You can see here, I'll click on that. You can see that got closed and there is a pop-up window which it came here. So here I'll be seeing here options are n number of options. The particular options which we are looking is Power Pivot for Excel 2013. I'll click on that and I'll click on OK. You can see in the ribbon tab there is an option called as Power Pivot. So if I click on Power Pivot, you can see there are n number of options. In few minutes time, we will be seeing what is that Power Pivot and what is this options used for in our sessions. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.